Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Then close the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. We can see it. It's the device list right here that there's no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. And it means also that these earbuds are disconnected. Now, after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!